Wow, is this normal? I feel like it's not, but I don't know. Let's go have a little look, eh? Oh, looks like there's books and stuff. Okay, you gotta see this mess. Wow. I don't know if I'm gonna pick up anything from this pile. It's quite a busy road. But wow, that is insane. Books. A passport? It did rain, so I'm just worried that things got rained on. It's so wet everything. Wow, so I feel like everything has been picked over so much here, but I'm gonna drive around a little bit more and see if I can find anything. I feel super nervous because I haven't done this in so long. Like I would pick on my walk and I feel like that is okay, but when you're picking with a car and parking in front of someone's house and, you know, filming them kind of, it's a little weird. So I'm going to try and go into a quiet street and pick and see what I can find. There's lots of people picking, and I saw two guys picking wood, like tree stumps, is that what you'd call it? Tree stumps, and like I've never seen that before. So I'm guessing it's because it's winter and they're picking up things for a fireplace. Picking up wood for fireplaces, maybe. I don't know. Okay, let's go. Okay, alleyways. I love alleyways because there's always so much stuff in here. Okay, another alleyway. There's vintage suitcases that I can see. Clothes dryers, like air dryers. There's jeans in there. Should I grab them? I mean, I'm here already. Let's try and grab them. Okay, I grabbed the jeans, and that looks like there's more clothes up here. So I'm just gonna pull over and have a look. There's so many things here. It's pretty nuts. I hope no one comes. Okay, give me a second. Okay, I'm gonna take you with me because I think I found books. Yes, we did. Oh wow, and they're like young books. How cool is that? Insane. A Chinese cookbook. That is so cute. That's wet. Wow, that's an old one. What is that? I'm gonna take this Margot full-time one. And then the other ones, I don't know. Oh yeah, I'll take those too. Okay, there's a weird person behind me. I don't know what he's doing. I got two books. Looks like there's some shoes here. Oh, photo clips. That's really cool. I'll take that for the RV. Microwave cooking. I love it. This. Okay, I had to move because someone was coming. Oh, they look alright. What size are they? They're too big for me. But they might fit someone else. Oh my god, look. Bag of jewelry. I might take that one. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Alright, I'm just gonna grab all these and go, I think. Check out this pile so far. Brand new pair of shoes, a bag of Nikes, H&M, got some jeans, these really cool shoes, and I'm just about to go out and get some more jeans if there's not too many people. So oh my god, there's books in here. Insane. There's heaps of books in there. Wow. Crazy. There's heaps of shoes in there as well. Those shoes look kind of cool. Should I grab them? Okay, that's good. There's like lots of things to grab here. That's a nice one. I'll grab those and go. Okay guys, so this is what I found today in these two bags and in this big IKEA bag. So let's do these ones because they're kind of easy to do. This is a box of Lego with the lid and some instructions, I think. How cool is that? Little car. That looks like a slide. I wonder if there's any people in here about. Oh, look. Squirrel. So that's pretty cool. We got all of that. And then, oh, I got this little bra top, which I definitely have to wash and clean, but it's my size, so that's pretty cool. Oh, what else did I get in this bag? This. It's just a calculator, scientific calculator. It doesn't work, but I'm gonna see if I can sell it as is. And then let's have, and in this bag we have these pair of shoes, pair of white Nikes. They're men's sizes. These ones are ladies sizes. So I'm gonna pop all these in the wash. These are 7.5 women's sizes, and then all of this bag full of jewelry. Just trying to see if there's anything else underneath. A bangle. So I don't know about the costume stuff, but we can probably bunch them together and see how it goes. Okay, so that's that. And then in here we have books. How cool is that? Walt Disney's World of Nature. Look at that. So I thought I'd grab those. Let me just move this a little bit. Bring the books over here. Another Walt Disney America book. Isn't that amazing? Lady and the Tramp, page 4 here. Wow. So there was only 2 of these. If there was more, I might have grabbed them, but yeah, gorgeous. So they're pretty cool. The next books are this one, the Margaret Fulton cookbook. Now this looks old as F. Look at that. What year is this from? 68. Someone's already marked what kind of recipes they would make. Oh wow, scones. Whoa, yum. That's one book. And this is the other one. The World's Best Rugby Book Ever. To Jeffrey Love from Nana, 1981. Wow. Then some more cookbooks. This is another Margaret Fulton cookbook. What's that? What is that? Okay. So that's nice. And then this is a microwave oven cookbook. From what year is this? Okay, I don't know what year this is from. Oh look, quiche ring. That would come in handy for the RV possibly. And the next stuff is just clothes. So, oh look, I found these 2 little cute little souvenir koalas. A sunglass case. I just sold a Prada sunglass case. So this one looks really nice. It's got some birds on it. This cover by Lewis. I don't know what phone it's for. But I picked that up anyway. These 2 baskets which I need to wash. But I thought I'd get these for the RV. Once we're ready to go and once I've decorated the inside, I think those storage boxes would be really good. Next I got these lights, photo clip lights. So they're brand new in their packaging. Hopefully they work. I'm just gonna plump that there. So, oh, these brand new shoes that I showed you before. Nope. In a size 10. What other shoes? Oops. These really cool platform boots. They're not leather, but how cool are they? So that's those, and Alright, let's go through the clothes now. So I picked up these shorts, Gap size large. Maybe I'll plonk them over here. So that's them. These are another pair of men's shorts. These are Susan sleeping pants. Then we have this dress. It is wet, but it looks like a cute little nightie, and it's by this brand, White Romance. So I'm gonna wash that. I'm gonna wash all of these actually. This is by, what is that by? BT Boy Jeanswear. Okay. They look like they're good. That's got a leather patch. Some rips on it. What is this one? This is a sweater. That is just a sweater in a size small. I think that's a menswear one. I always find a lot of menswear stuff just thrown out. I think guys don't really care. Another pair of shorts. A rice cooker spoon because I've lost mine. I don't usually pick that stuff up, but I've actually lost mine. A H&M linen shirt. Oh, this crop top, which I have in another color, but this one's in black, so that's cool. And it's in my size. This little case, which I don't know what it's for. Low Pro. I'm gonna look it up. These pants, which are by this brand, size large, so they'll be nice when I wash them just for home. What else? These jeans, they're pretty wet. They are, what does it say here? A and D, and these look like they're a really good brand as well. And look at the hem. It's pretty neat. And then I got these shoes by this brand. They're wet as well, so I'm gonna let them dry out. And then the last thing I got was this. A really cute, like, cotton shirt, like a denim kind of shirt, in a size small with this really beautiful pattern inside. So I'm gonna wash that as well. And that's it. I wasn't expecting to find all the clothes, but I really needed to get some clothes for me and for the eBay shop. So yeah, I'm gonna pop these in the wash, all of these, and clean these ones up. These are brand new with tags. I mean, they were only 15, but I'm sure someone would want them. I have a lot of rural customers who buy like non-name brand things for themselves. And then these books. How cool are these books? And yeah. And the Lego. So my favorite thing, I think, are the books. The Disney ones and the cookbook. These Margaret Fulton books. So yeah, that's my haul for today. Thanks for watching. And bye.